If you're looking for the best web hosting in 2025, this video will help you make the right choice. I've tested and compared two of the top hosting providers this year, Hostinger and Bluehost, and both are great, but they shine in different ways. I'll go over their pros and cons, show you which one I recommend, and at the end, I'll share how to grab exclusive discounts for both at techshieldreviews.com. Let's start with Hostinger. It's known for being one of the most affordable hosting providers on the market, and it's perfect for beginners. Hostinger uses Lightspeed servers, which help your website load quickly and perform smoothly, even with higher traffic. You get a free SSL certificate, weekly backups, and even a free domain on most plans. Their control panel, called hPanel, is modern, easy to use, and way simpler than traditional cPanel, ideal if you're just getting started. Performance-wise, Hostinger scores really well. It's fast, reliable, and has uptime above 99.9%. It's a great choice for blogs, small businesses, or online stores. The only downside is that lower-tier plans come with limited storage, and some advanced tools are reserved for higher plans. Still, for the price, it's one of the best deals out there. Now let's talk about Bluehost. It's one of the most established hosting providers and is officially recommended by WordPress, which already tells you a lot. Bluehost makes setting up a website incredibly easy. You get one-click WordPress installation, a free domain for the first year, and 24/7 support via chat and phone. Their platform is very beginner-friendly and integrates perfectly with WordPress themes and plugins. In terms of performance, Bluehost delivers solid uptime and stable speeds. It's slightly more expensive than Hostinger, but the customer support and WordPress integration make it worth considering, especially for people who want a simple, reliable hosting setup without much technical work. So, which one is the best web hosting in 2025? If you're looking for the best value for money, go with Hostinger. It's cheaper, faster, and perfect for beginners. But if you prefer premium WordPress support and a more established brand, Bluehost is a fantastic alternative. And here's the best part. You don't have to pay full price for either of them. You can get exclusive discounts for both Hostinger and Bluehost right now at techshieldreviews.com, a trusted site for verified web hosting deals. I've also left the direct link in the pinned comment below, so you can grab the lowest price instantly. So those are my top picks for the best web hosting in 2025. Whether you choose Hostinger or Bluehost, you'll get solid performance, strong uptime, and great support. If this video helped you out, make sure to like it, comment with your favorite hosting provider, and subscribe for more web hosting reviews and exclusive deals.